Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview API water pepper for saltwater pools. Saltwater pools have their benefits but require a little extra TLC. The API Pepper Saltwater Pool Chemical Maintenance Chemical Balancer is here to make sure your saltwater pool requires less care overall with a simple treatment twice a month. This saltwater pool chemical care contains 2 pounds of a blend that provides all-around protection from problems that come with owning a saltwater pool, such as cloudiness and scaling. Regularly using this saltwater spa maintenance kit keeps your saline swimming pool crisp, clean, clear, and free of residue, saving you time, energy, and money. Product benefits: 2-pound blend of concentrated maintenance chemicals for saltwater pools. Helps sanitizers work more efficiently and makes pool water clearer. Prevents pH fluctuations and helps maintain proper low phosphate levels. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.